Ever since I got the Rode Wireless Go 2, I've never been able to use this with my iPhone for video recording purposes because this pairing up with the iPhone requires a special type of cable which you can get from Rode, and the cable is called, I think, Rode SC16. Any camera shop or any video recording shop that I go to right here in Sydney, they are always out of stock when it comes to that RC15 cable. So I have not been able to use the Rode Wireless Go 2 with my iPhone when I'm recording. Currently, I'm recording using my iPhone, but because I'm recording it in my studio, I have it connected to my MacBook Pro, and this mic that you can see right here is connected to my MacBook. So this is possible because of the macOS Ventura, which can use your iPhone's camera either as a webcam or to record. But I would like to be able to record with the fullest quality that my iPhone can do and have great audio, because if you've used your iPhone for video recording purposes, the audio does not sound too good if there are a lot of external noises involved. But if I pair my Rode Wireless Go 2 to my iPhone, then anywhere I go, I will be able to do amazing video recording with proper audio, because the audio source is going to be coming from the Rode Wireless Go 2. So till I have the cable in stock, I'm not going to be able to do that. So what I'm going to do now is I got the Rode SC16. This is going to be useful for pairing up the Rode Wireless Go 2 that I have with my Android device. Right here, I have the S23 Ultra. So using the Rode SC16 cable, I can pair up the Rode Wireless Go 2 with the S23 Ultra. This is what the packaging looks like. For the cable that actually supports and pairs up with their iPhone, it is gonna be the SC15. So the end that goes to the Rode Wireless Go 2 remains the same, but the one that goes to your phone is gonna be Lightning, which is pretty obvious for an iPhone. So let's take it out and see how long the cable is. So right here we have the cable. It is USB-C to USB-C, as you can see, but I was heavily confused because when I saw this end right here, this one, it doesn't look like USB-C. It looks like something similar to 3.5 millimeter jack. So I was thinking that this end right here that you can see in the Rode Wireless Go, this is the 3.5 millimeter jack. So I thought that one end connects here and the other end connects to the USB-C port of your Android device, but that's not the case. So the way we have to connect is one end to the USB-C, which is right here of the Rode Wireless Go 2, and the other end is going to have to be on your Android device as well using the USB-C port. So let's try it out and see how it works out. So I have the other end of the Rode Wireless Go here. So let me put that on myself. Let's turn that on first. So you press the top part here. So you press a couple of seconds, the screen is going to light up. As you can see, it's lit up, and you press the other one right here. As you can see, it paired up instantly. Now, all I have to do is put this on myself. Okay, that's done. And now let me unlock my S23 Ultra. This cable goes here. Okay, it's connected. Now, the other end, I would need to do it right here. Okay, it is connected. So I'm not seeing anything come up on the screen. So let's do one thing. Maybe let's try recording and then see how the audio sounds from this. So let's check it out. Let's see how the audio sounds right here, because it is lighting up, as you can see here. But maybe it's only picking the audio because I'm talking through this. But let me blow into the microphone and see how it is. Let's see. So if it is recording not from the phone's microphone, but from the Rode Wireless Go 2 that I've got right here, then it should basically pick up me blowing into this microphone. So let's see how that sounds now. I watched the video and I can confirm, just plugging the Rode Wireless Go, so one end of the USB-C to the Rode Wireless Go 2 and the other end to your Android device. And obviously the other Rode Wireless Go, you're gonna be using it as a mic source, so it's gonna be able to pick up the audio. You don't need to do anything. You can, however, by pressing these two buttons right here, increase or decrease the gain if you sound too low or if you sound too loud, and you can control it like that. But it does seem it's like plug and play basically. Now I can record using my S23 in full 4K, or even if 8K I choose, because the S23 Ultra does support the 8K, and I will be able to have good audio because now I've connected the Rode Wireless Go 2 to one of my Android devices. For the iPhone, I would still need to wait for the SC15 cable. Once I get a hold of that, I am going to be able to use my iPhone for video recording with great audio quality wherever I go. The only reason I cannot take this microphone and pair it with my iPhone like I am doing right here is because to power this microphone, I would have to take my audio interface with me as well, which is the Rodecaster Pro 2. It is pretty big and bulky, so it's not going to be easy to take it with me every time I want to record somewhere outside of my studio. But now with this, I can just take my S23 Ultra and the two ends of the Rode Wireless Go 2, connect one with my phone, use the other one on myself so that I could speak into it, and then that's pretty much it. Now I've got the setup completed for me to be able to shoot anywhere and everywhere with good audio quality and reject as much as external or outside noise as possible. It's not gonna do as better job as this microphone I have right here, which is the Rode Procaster, because it is a very dynamic microphone. You have to speak right into it. If you speak from the back or the sides, it's gonna reject it. So it is really good at rejecting external noises. The Rode Wireless Go 2 might not be as better as the Rode Procaster that I have right here, but it's still going to be better than the phone's microphone, because the phone's microphone is going to pick up anything and everything. So I'll leave it there for now. I'll see you in the next video where I possibly will be recording in a different location with my S23 Ultra and then using the Rode Wireless Go 2 mic to see how it is and then post it out there so that you can see it as well compared to my this setup at the moment. Stay subscribed for that. I'll see you in the next one. Till then, peace.